Good morning, children. This is our revision video. Nouns. What are the nouns? Naming property of someone like name, place, thing or animal in general is known as a noun. The types of nouns are common noun, proper noun, collective noun and abstract noun. Common noun. Common noun is the name given to the people. For example, the word I am calling like people, children, dog, monkey, horse. Such things are called common nouns. Proper noun. Proper noun is a special name given to the person as you have your own name. It's called a proper noun. Now see here, what's the paragraph? Mr. Mehta had a monkey named Mac. What you have to do? Circle the common noun and underline proper noun. Circle common noun and underline proper nouns. What is the common noun? Monkey. We have number of monkeys. We don't have. If you have a pet, you named it. But usually we refer to the monkey as monkey. And what is the proper noun? We have two proper nouns in the sentence. That is Mr. Mehta and Mac. Mac loved to chew on shoes. Mac is again here a proper noun. Then shoes are common noun. We have the different types of shoes. Here they did not mention which shoes. And it also comes under common noun. Mr. Mehta's neighbors hated Mac. Proper noun is what here in this? Proper noun is Mr. Mehta and Mac. Once when Ira was sleeping, Mac entered her house through the window and chewed up her sandals and hid them in her refrigerator. So what the Mac did one day, when Ira was sleeping, he has taken it and kept it in a refrigerator, her sandals. Ira is a proper noun, name of a girl. Mac is the name of a monkey here. Where did he enter? He entered the house. House is a common noun and also window, sandals, refrigerator. All these are common nouns. When Mr. Filipovsky saw his shoes hanging from the electric pole, he knew that Mac did it. So here we have the two common nouns. So two proper noun, that is Mr. Filipovsky and Mac. One day when Mr. Mehta was getting ready to work, he saw that Mac was chewing the laces of his shoes. So what happened when Mr. Mehta was getting ready? He was chewing the lace of his shoes. So here we have the proper nouns are Mr. Mehta and Mac. Lace of a shoe. Mr. Mehta again. Mr. Mehta chased the Mac, but he ran towards the balcony and jumped off. Mr. Mehta wore his shoes without lace that day. Means without that lace, Mr. Mehta went to work, office. So Mr. Mehta is a proper noun. Balcony is a common noun. Again Mr. Mehta is a proper noun. Now be bit. Complete these sentences with the correct collective nouns from the box. Collective noun. The name given to the group of something is known as collective noun. For example, the first one, teacher asked the whole class to stand up. CLASS class. Class is where the place all the children gathered. Or we have a limited students in a class. at particular place. So it is called as a class. Second one. A dash of young actors is practicing in the park. A company of young actors is practicing in the park. A dash of musicians was playing in the street. A band of musicians. A group of musicians, we call them as band, B-A-N-D, band, which we have mostly at times of marriages. Fourth one. We saw a dash of small fish at the edge of a pond. We saw a school of small fish. Here the group of fishes are counted in school. Fifth one. After walking for 15 minutes, we reached a small dash of trees. We reached a small grove of trees. Sixth one. We could see a dash of fishing boats not very far from the shore. Here, the group of fishes which are used for fishing is known as fleet. F-L-E-E-T, fleet. We could see a fleet of fishing boats not very far from the shore. C. Underline the abstract nouns in these sentences. Here we need to underline abstract nouns. Abstract noun mostly describes about idea, feeling and the types of qualities which they have. So, underline the abstract noun in these sentences. First one. Childhood is the best part of life. Childhood. As you people are small now, you will remember your childhood days in your future. So, it is the best part of life. Second one. Alankrita, answer the questions with confidence. So the abstract noun, confidence. Now third one. Ranjan thanked them for their kindness, quality. Confidence is also a quality of a person. Some are positive thinkers and some are negative thinkers. So, but you should have a self-confidence. Here, kindness. Kindness is also a quality of a man. Fourth one. Nelia was awarded for her bravery. Abstract noun. Quality of a man. Fifth one. Football is a game that requires a lot of strength. You require more energy, isn't it, to play the game of football. So strength is abstract noun. Sixth one. Darpan got a medal for his good behavior. If you have a good conduct, then you too will get a reward. So behavior is abstract noun. Hope that everyone understood it. Thank you.